In this video, I'd like to find out whether there's a difference in terms of body fat percentage between male and female. So body fat percentage is a quantitative variable and gender is a categorical variable. So this analysis can be considered as studying the association between a categorical variable and a quantitative variable. We will calculate the mean and standard deviation for each gender. We also will make a side-by-side box plot so that we can visualize the difference between genders in terms of body fat percentage. First of all, I'm going to create another sheet. I'm going to copy the gender variable. So I'm going to select the gender column and then click copy and go to sheet 2, and then I'm going to copy and paste just the data value. And then I'm going to again copy and paste the fat percentage. So I right click and click copy. Then I'm going to go to sheet 2 and again right click on column B and paste the numbers, paste the value. Okay. I need to go with the categorical variable first and the quantitative variable next. To make side-by-side box plot to visualize the difference, I just first select those data, right, whole range of data for gender and percentage fat, and click insert and come here for the quantitative variable chart. Click on it. There's this side-by-side box plot thing. You click on it, you get the side-by-side box plot. So you can see the spread of body fat percentage for female subject and also the spread of body fat percentage for male subject. It seems like there's a little bit difference. The female have higher body fat percentage. So that's using graph to show the distribution for each category gender variable for visual comparison. Now if you wish to compute mean and standard deviation of body fat percentage for each gender, here's how you can do it. We do the insert, pivot table, and select a range of data. So I'm going to just click that and select again this range of data, or you can select that range of data to start with. Okay, I'm going to click on this button here, and I'm going to put it in, or you want to put it in the existing worksheet. You want to select a place you want to put it. So maybe I just click that and say I want to put it here. Okay, and then click on this icon again and just click OK. Now there's a pivot table chart here. What you need to do is work on pivot table field to set it up. So the row, I'm going to click gender, put it as a row variable. So I'm going to do some computation for this row variable separately for male and female. And I'm going to select fat percentage, put it in value box. So here I'm going to compute something. All right, by default it gives you the sum. So sum of male and sum of female. Now, I'm not going to do that one mean, so I come here to click on this drop-down menu, select value field setting, and choose average. Mean is average, right? And click OK. Now you get the average body fat percentage for female and male separately. Okay. Now, if I want standard deviation, I can click and select fat percentage and drag it again down to this value box, and I click on this drop-down thing. And value field setting, this time I'm going to choose standard deviation, OK. I get the standard deviations. All right, so you can get the mean and standard deviation for each of the gender categories separately. Okay. Now, if you like to format this, make them 2 decimal places, you can select them and right-click and show format cell, and click on actually the number format. By default it's 2 decimal places. Click OK, then you get it output. Looks very nice. Okay, so you can then select a range and right click and copy and paste it to your Word document if you want to. Okay, if you're generating a report, same thing, you can click on the chart and right click, click copy and paste it to the Word document you wish to use to generate a report. Okay, so that's it.